Welcome to a new world of opportunities where creativity and technology intersect, the laser engraving business. This innovative realm is not only driven by the growing demand for personalized and unique products, but also by the potential for you to express your creativity and make a mark, literally and figuratively. Imagine creating a product that tells a story, a product that is so unique it cannot be replicated. That's the power of laser engraving. It brings customization to a whole new level. And guess what? People are willing to pay for that uniqueness. Now, pair this with the economic growth and technological advancements of 2024, and you've got yourself a promising venture. It's a business that marries art with technology, creativity with practicality, and passion with profitability. So, are you ready to carve out your own path in this lucrative industry? Let's delve into the steps to start your very own laser engraving business in the USA. Before embarking on this journey, understanding the laser engraving business is crucial. So, what is laser engraving? It's a process that employs lasers to etch or mark an object. It's a versatile technique that can be used on a variety of materials including metal, glass, plastic, and wood. From personalized gifts to industrial part marking, the possibilities are almost endless. This opens up a wide range of potential products you can create, such as custom jewelry, engraved wine glasses, personalized phone cases, and even intricate artworks. The beauty of this business is that it marries creativity with technology, allowing you to craft unique, high-quality products that are in demand. Now let's talk about the target market. The laser engraving business caters to both individual consumers and businesses. On the consumer side, think of anyone looking for personalized items. These could be for weddings, birthdays, or even just a unique gift for a loved one. On the business side, companies often require engraved items for promotional materials, signage, or part marking. This diversity in the customer base gives you a broad market to tap into. So, what skills are required to run a laser engraving business? Well, you'll need to have a basic understanding of design software to create the designs that will be engraved onto the products. It's also important to have a good grasp of how to operate the laser engraver safely and efficiently. But don't worry, with a bit of practice and perseverance, these skills can be easily learned. Lastly, as with any business, having excellent customer service skills is paramount. Remember, you're not just selling a product, you're selling a personalized experience. With a clear understanding of the business, it's time to take the first step towards setting up your company. Forming an LLC is a significant step towards establishing your laser engraving business. It's a leap that solidifies your venture into a legitimate company. But why is it so crucial? Let's delve into that. In the exciting world of entrepreneurship, an LLC or limited liability company is a protective shield. It safeguards your personal assets like your home, car, or savings from any business-related lawsuits or debts. Think of it as a safety net, keeping your personal life separate from your business life. Now, another perk of forming an LLC is that it adds credibility to your business. When you have those three letters, LLC, attached to your business name, it sends a message. It tells your clients, suppliers, and even competitors that you're a serious player in the game. It's a sign of trustworthiness and professionalism. So, where do you start with forming an LLC? Well, it's easier than you might think, especially with the help of services like Taylor Brands Company. They streamline the process, making it as hassle-free as possible. The first step is choosing a unique business name. It should be something that resonates with your laser engraving business, something catchy and memorable. But more than that, it should be a name that no other business is using. Next, it's time to file the Articles of Organization. This is essentially the birth certificate of your LLC. It's a document that officially registers your business with the state. The content of this document varies from state to state, but generally it includes details like your business name, location, and the names of the owners. Finally, you'll need to create an operating agreement. This is a document that outlines the ownership and operating procedures of the LLC. It's an essential piece of paperwork that gives structure to your business. Once you've formed your LLC, you're ready to move to the next phase, obtaining an employer identification number. An employer identification number, or EIN, is essential for your business operations. This unique 9-digit number, assigned by the Internal Revenue Service, serves as your business's social security number. It's crucial for tax purposes, enabling you to file business tax returns. Plus, if you plan on hiring employees for your laser engraving business, you'll need an EIN for their wage reporting. Now, obtaining an EIN might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Taylor Brands Company offers a seamless application process that can simplify this task for you. Here's how it works. You submit an online application with the necessary information about your business. Within a few days, you receive your EIN through email. It's straightforward and efficient. Remember, the earlier you secure your EIN, the sooner you can start hiring if that's part of your plan. With your EIN in place, it's time to focus on the operational aspects of your laser engraving business. Setting up your business operations involves careful planning and execution. The first step to setting up your operations is the purchase of laser engraving equipment. This is the heart of your business, so it's critical to choose wisely. Look for equipment that offers high precision and speed, but also consider the size of the objects you'll be engraving. A versatile machine that can handle a variety of materials and sizes will give you the most flexibility. Now let's talk about setting up a workspace. This isn't just about having a place to put your equipment. It's about creating an environment that promotes efficiency and safety. You'll need a well-ventilated area to protect against fumes produced during the engraving process and adequate lighting for precision work. Keep in mind that your workspace also needs to be organized in a way that streamlines your workflow. Sourcing materials is the next step. Depending on what you're engraving, this could include wood, metal, glass, or even leather. Establish relationships with reliable suppliers who can provide high-quality materials at a good price. This not only ensures the quality of your final product, but also helps in controlling your costs. Next, you'll need to set your prices. This involves more than just covering your costs. You also need to consider the value you're providing to your customers. Research what other laser engraving businesses are charging and set your prices competitively. Remember, your prices can always be adjusted as your business grows and evolves. Lastly, let's discuss marketing strategies. How will people learn about your laser engraving business? A well-designed website, social media presence, and local advertising can all be effective ways to spread the word. You might also consider attending craft fairs or networking events to showcase your work and connect with potential customers. Having set up your operations, you're now ready to launch your laser engraving business. Launching your laser engraving business is an exciting milestone. This is the moment you've been working tirelessly for, where all your careful planning and diligent efforts come to fruition. But remember, launching is just the beginning of a thrilling journey. A grand launch can set the tone for your business's future. It's an opportunity to make a strong first impression and build initial momentum. Whether it's an in-person event or an online extravaganza, make it memorable. Shine a light on your unique selling points, showcase your high-quality laser engraving services, and captivate your potential customers. Marketing your business effectively is crucial to your success. It's about telling your brand story and connecting with your audience on a personal level. Utilize multiple channels, from social media to local newspapers, to reach a diverse customer base. Be consistent in your messaging, but don't be afraid to get creative. Remember, in a world cluttered with advertisements, standing out is key. Building and maintaining strong customer relationships is equally important. Listen to your customers, understand their needs, and provide exceptional service. A satisfied customer is not just a repeat customer, but also a brand advocate who can bring in new business. Innovation is the lifeblood of any business. The world of laser engraving is dynamic, with new techniques and technologies constantly emerging. Stay on top of industry trends and continually refine your services. This not only keeps your business competitive, but also provides your customers with the best possible experience. Lastly, don't forget to celebrate your achievements along the way. Each milestone reached is a testament to your hard work and determination. But don't rest on your laurels. Always look for ways to grow and improve. This mindset will keep you motivated and drive your business forward. With these steps, you're not just launching a business, you're launching a dream. Welcome to the world of laser engraving business.